The MC1385 Steam Cleaner is designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with its versatile steam system, making it an ideal choice for both household and automotive surfaces. This steam cleaner offers chemical-free cleaning, ensuring a safe and natural way to eliminate dirt, grease, and grime from different types of surfaces. Equipped with 23 accessories, the MC1385 provides extensive cleaning options, including tools for floors, grout, and windows, which are conveniently stored on board. The large 64-ounce water tank heats up quickly and delivers up to 120 minutes of continuous steam, providing ample time for thorough cleaning sessions. With an extra-long power cord and steam hose, this steam cleaner offers remarkable reach and maneuverability, allowing users to clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. Backed by McCulloch's commitment to quality and a 2-year warranty, the MC1385 ensures reliable performance and customer satisfaction.